In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Center of Excellence discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Center of Excellence discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called retrieve.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with a 77 discount of astronomy diploma course, all you need to do is tap right here where it says copy code. And right here, this is the promo code that you can simply copy and you can apply this one in order to get a discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes as well and some deals that you can use for some discounts. So, for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this one with a 77 discount of digital photography diploma course, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says copy code, and here is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy this promo code and you can apply this one in order to get the discount. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.